Hi friends, today I'm going to explain how to install Terraform on Windows PC. So in order to install Terraform, first go to the website www.terraform.io. So once you go to this website, so go to the download tab, click on the download tab, and then you scroll down, and here you can see for a different operating systems the Terraform software is provided. So for Mac OS and for free Berkeley software distribution, for Linux and open source Berkeley software distribution, Linux and Solaris, and for Windows. So we have Terraform software for different operating system. Today I am going to explain for the Windows. So click on this 64-bit. So then the download will start happens, and the zip file will be downloaded to your local So then go to the download section, and then you can see the zip file is downloaded in your system. So the Terraform installation is very simple. So in order to install Terraform, so you have downloaded, extract this zip file in any folder. So I'm creating that folder in C drive, as I'm creating one folder by name Terraform. After you create the Terraform, copy that zip file into this folder. So you go to the Terraform for folder which you have created and extract in that. So you have created in C drive. So yeah, so copy the zip file in this folder, and after you copy this, extract this zip folder in this location, what the folder which you have created. So extract here. So once you extracted, you can see Terraform exe file is extracted in this folder. So you doesn't need to run this .exe file. You only need to provide this path in the environment variables. So in order to configure in the environment variables, go to your system, right click on this symbol PC, go to the properties and go to the advanced system settings and click on environment variables, and you need to create the in the path variable you need to provide that Terraform. So click on this path variable and click on new. So okay, cancel. You can click on this path variable and click on edit. So you can see here, so in Windows 10 this is the environment variable. So you click on new. So you provide the Terraform path where you have the terraform.exe file. So copy this path and paste it in the here in path variables. So I have successfully click on OK, and next click OK and click OK. So now you have set up the Terraform path of terraform.exe, which is located on your system. So in order to check whether Terraform is successfully installed or not, go to command prompt, type cmd in your taskbar and open the command prompt and type Terraform. So if you are getting anything, so that then the Terraform is successfully installed. So it will give all the available commands. So it will give the usage, how Terraform and different commands while working with Terraform. So this is the friends how to install Terraform on Windows. Thank you, and please subscribe to my channel.